Hi, myself Surya Kumar. Basically, I'm working in Farsi Cafe as a head chef. So it's all about like each and every 4 months we'll be keep changing our menus. But because of COVID, we couldn't change our menu. Now we got a time to change the menu. So we bought lots of dishes, new dishes, which has been fusion into Indian with a modern way. That's what we do in Farsi Cafe. It's like you can see like lots of dishes like yam galoti. Yam, it's nothing but a vegetable we have converted into galoti with a smoky flavor. Tofu medu vada we have, ambadi fish tikka we have, karampudi pomfret. It's a local ingredient what we use in pomfret fish, and we bought lots of flavors into it. And sago pongal we have that nothing but it's sabudana we have converted into a pongal. And sheikh kebab, kadak sheikh kebab, wherever you go, paneer will be very soft. But paneer, what we serving over here, it's very kadak and crisp will be there. Inside it will be soft. That's what for twist what we given in paneer sheikh kebab. Apart from that, we have soups, gongura, mutton curry with ghee pulao. We have lots of dishes are there like as tiramisu, filter coffee, tiramisu. Filter coffee, tiramisu. Wherever you go, they add liquor. But in South Indian, filter coffee is very famous. So tiramisu we have converted into a filter coffee flavor. And caramel cheesecake, what we did over here, it's a chocolate bar with lots of caramel and cheese will be added into it. Lots of dishes are there. And chicken wings we have, which is very mild, and lots of people doesn't love masalas. Some people doesn't love masalas, so we did very mild flavor like salt and pepper. That kind of chicken wings we have. Lots of dishes are.